it was amazing.
Yes.
Just being able to, you know, be up close with him without any barriers and being able to hug him. And, you know, we took some pictures as well on that visit.
Oh.
And it was a lot longer than the usual visits we have at the prison. So
Yep, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Beer. I'm there represent for Dancehall Reggae Vibes. You know what I mean? Beer vibes, beer fun, beer things. You don't know me there for speak beer facts. So, we are talking about that woman here. Very phenomenal. Left her yard, her Turkish origin, and forward in a Jamaica. You see me? And the reason why she forward to Jamaica, there's a peculiar artist that she sat down and listened to his interviews. And these interviews resonate with her. So it's like she get this connection to television or the video. You see me I say? And this man say, you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to have a phone. If you want to have a girl, so I don't know, so this some media start from pinging and pinning. You see me I say? Blackberry pin. You know what I mean? You don't know me I thought though. I yesterday them free up the charge and the charge free right now and they in the streets and you don't know. You see one whole pass up and go around him. They in the car with him wife to be. But we are talking about that woman there right now. Sidim Astric. Yeah. Soon to be Sidim Palmer. You know what I mean? Yeah. So date could have so set, date could have set already, yet for us to know when it go on and when it go down. Cause you know so once them show up is a showdown. Zin. So look for that something there. Remember you hear it as the first. But the first you hear the voice it would be nice if you subscribe, like, and share that video. You see me? Because I know say you cousin want to hear you know. Yeah, in Philadelphia over Miami around one place. So just send it over one part over Afghanistan because you know say the soldier them want to know what I go on to. So the world boss out, his wife there, she left from where she come from and then in Jamaica from them time there and not decide for left here. Cause why? She love to resonate with the people and the whole party vibes, the people that move around, the whole active energy. You don't know which part she come from. I just work. And you don't know, work with no play, make it dull. No sharpness, boy, no slickness, no flair, nothing. And you know Kartel are the man will inspire lyrically. You see me I say? So it come like salvation for you right now.
And so you guys are going all the way?
all the way.
All the way. You're going to tie that knot?
Yes.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, people say it's a good look, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good look. I'm like, look, you see me I say? I remember you know, when you're incarcerated, the mental state of stay away. So if you see a woman fly from all over there, so, and forward and make you feel so compelled within yourself. Oh my word, she deserve married too. You agree with me? Come on in the comments down there, so write something, man. Something. Fire emoji, something. If you agree, let's have a dialogue and talk about this. Because she deserve it and she hold out. You see me I say? Yeah. Compared to, you know what I say? We're going to have a dialogue, talk about the thing, reason about the thing. Because you know say some woman are loyal. And then that woman come through and prove herself. You know what I mean? Man incarcerated, she hold it out for her king. So she deserve to get married too. You know what I mean? So people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Beer, Beer Vibes, Beer Fun, Beer Things, Must Be Beer Facts that they represent for the world media, you know what I mean? Yeah, dancehall, reggae, vibes. And I'm out.